The Department of Materials and Metallurgical Engineering (FUTO) sincerely appreciates the FUTO MME class of 2005 for their generous support in providing and installing an interactive board in the department's conference room. The smart board, complete with a multimedia projector and accessories, has greatly improved the delivery of lectures and presentations, making teaching and learning more engaging and seamless. This laudable achievement was made possible through the passion and commitment of our alumni, especially the MME class of 2005, whose commitment to the growth of the department was clearly demonstrated during our last WhatsApp video meeting. We remain deeply grateful to all our alumni for their continuous efforts in uplifting the department and the profession through their outstanding contributions across ministries, the oil and gas industry, and the private sector.